So again, we're going to solve for x, leave your answer in exact form, then state if your answer is rational or irrational. So anytime we are solving for x, the ultimate goal is to get the x by itself. We are trying to isolate the variable. Right now, we're going to have to get rid of this 3 and this 2. So let's talk about what those are doing. This says 3 times x squared. So we're going to get rid of the 3 first. Since we are multiplying by 3, the inverse operation or opposite is to divide by 3. And whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we can cancel that out, bring down our x squared. And then 51 divided by 3, we can do that in our calculator. That's 17. But we're not done. We still have to isolate the variable. We still have to get x by itself. Right now it says x squared. So we have to do the opposite of squaring. And the opposite of squaring is square rooting. So I'm going to square root both sides. The reason I do that is because the square and square root cancel, leaving me with just x. And then I'm going to go to my calculator and type in the square root of 17. And that equals this really yucky decimal. This is an irrational number because it does not end and it does not repeat. So I know it's irrational. I am not going to write down all of this decimal because the question said, leave your answer in exact form. If it asks for exact form, you're going to leave it as the square root of 17. And this one is irrational. Now remember, every square root does have 2 answers, so you could say plus or minus the square root of 17. I think that's it. All right.